Hello, welcome to my YouTube video. Today I'm gonna show you how to look put together in less than 5 minutes. It is no way near like full glam, things like that. So it's just to look like you had a good 8 hours of sleep and you rested, you had time to get ready, you had put some effort in getting ready, things like that, okay? So I already did my skincare. I put my moisturizer, sunblock, my chapstick, and a little bit of tint already. So that's part of my skin prep. So that is no matter if you go get out of house or not. This much is like essential. So even if you stay home, you don't go anywhere, you have to put moisturizer, sunblock, and chapstick. So now, if you have to step out the house, so how do you look put together, but in like 5 minutes? Okay, so I'm not gonna do foundation. It's getting so hot here, so I'm not gonna do like I'm not gonna be doing like layers of makeup. It's just my work, the weather, everything. It's like less is better, especially in summer. So I'm taking my concealer. This one's from elf camo concealer. The shade is tan sand. Okay, that's my shade. I don't know whether it's the perfect shade match for my concealer or not, but it's definitely gives me that little bit of brightening effect. Okay, while it sets, let's do eyes. Let's take care of the eyes. So for eyes, I'm just gonna do my regular brown shadow. As you can see, this has already touched the pan, so you can tell how much I love this eyeshadow. This eyeshadow is perfect for like your everyday no makeup look, and you can always jazz it up because there are like some shimmery colors too. So that's that much for eyeshadow. Now let's do some mascara. So first, I like to curl my lashes. It makes a huge difference, but you have to take your time to curl it. Okay, yes, I just do this and maybe count like 20 in my mind, like that. See? Yeah. Okay, just like that. Just look how it just opens your eyes. Now I'm gonna go with my mascara. The mascara is from Lancome. It's kind of drying out, but it's okay because it's old anyways. I think I got it in Christmas 2023, so it's more than a year and a half old. I have my products like old products. That is because I really don't do makeup on a daily basis. I just do it when I feel like it, and I had multiple when I bought this. Now I don't have. I just have two mascaras. One is this and another is from Clinique. That's all. So, but when I bought this, I have a whole bunch of mascaras. But now what I have decided, as my 2025 no buy, is not to buy anything like if you have it. So once I run out of both of these mascaras, then I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna do research and get the good one. So, and I know which is not happening very soon because I still have the Clinique one. So I just blend my concealer in, just try to push it back into their skin rather than swiping. I swipe anyways, just creature of habit, you know. I know what you should do, but I don't do it anyways. But I'm trying. So just push the product in. Just don't smear it, like that's what I meant, okay? So just, yeah, just once you and then go smaller swiping motion, but not like we do with foundation, you know. Okay, yeah, see, it just brightened my under eye. That's what I wanted. Now let's set my face with this. I'm just gonna be using brush because I still haven't washed my puff, and the other puff didn't work when I tried yesterday, so just go. Yeah, just like that. Now I'm gonna do my lips. After doing lips, everything will come together. For today, I'm planning to do pink lips, and I'll be using this is pink, bright pink lipstick from Fenty Beauty Rihanna. I can read the shade. So I just like that. As you can see, it's looking horrendous basically. So what I'll do, it's easily fixable. So I'll just take my brown lipstick. This one's from Maybelline the shade is More Coffee, and then I just outline my lips with this, just like that. See, doesn't have to be perfect, just try to not go outside of your lips, but inside doesn't matter. I'm gonna smudge it anyway, so yeah, just like that. See the ombre effect. So there's pink is still picking from the middle, but have you thought like the pink will go like this? Yeah. Okay. Now let's do eyebrows. Oh, I thought I didn't have no tint left. I actually have some left. Okay, so now I just brush my eyebrows in my natural shape, because this doesn't like freeze or anything like that. It's like a simple gel, so it will soften the color also, because as you can see, my eyebrows are like really black, but this gel is like tinted and it's like brown, so it just mellows out my eyebrows and make it like softer. Yeah, just like that. So see, that's all I'm gonna do for today. This will make me look like, oh, she hasn't done makeup, she just put some lipstick, but she had a good night of sleep. It doesn't look like makeup at all. It looks like my skin, which was the look I wanted. So this is how you create perfect like get together no makeup look if you have less than 5 minutes. So if you have made it up to this point of the video, please like, comment and share my videos, and please subscribe to my channel. It'll mean a lot. As I already said in my previous videos, I'm gonna my goal is to hit 100 subscriber by the end of this month and 1,000 subscriber by the end of this year. Thank you, and thank you so much for watching my video. See you later. Mwah.